bamboo cabinet hinges when they're painted like this. Fast. Well, I'm going to show you a trick. Get yourself some tile bits. They look like this. Look like little arrows. Get the smallest one in the pack. You can see where I've been using this one. And they got a little damage. But it works fast. You want to put it on your drill and you want to have it on reverse. And you just go up to it. Don't worry about taking off the paint or anything. There you have it. Easy, fast. Show you on the door. Okay, there you have it. Door hinges out. Oh, we got one right there. Okay, let me show you a hinge. After you get that out, look at that. Sorry, I gotta do it with one hand. See that? Sitting too low. There. 50-year-old hinges come off with no problem.